Well, hello YouTube. It's been a long time since you've seen me. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick update as to where I've been and to what the fuck I've been doing with my life. I recently just got myself a brand new Quest 2 for Christmas. Came a bit after Christmas because Amazon are cunts. Here it is. Today's video is going to be focused on this flimsy cunt and some other accessories I got for this headset. Now, if you're like me, yeah, you don't want to be wearing this over your head for however long you've been playing VR for. Don't know how long you play, how long the sessions you have for, but who wants to have this flimsy cunt on your head? You know, this fucking pushes this into your head, gives you some fat headache. I need to turn my heater off, it's going to be loud for the video. I'm going to show you guys my new head strap and my charging bank, which looks fucking sick. And yes, I have had my hair cut, but this is the head strap I bought. It's called the Bobo VR M2 Pro. It is such an upgrade from the fucking default one. And it is 49 quid, 50 quid. I can't remember exactly around that price, but it's definitely worth it, trust me. Don't get the plus, that's all I will say. It's 100 quid and all it does is come with another battery pack and tiny changes to this. But if I was you, get this one. Unless you're rich as fuck, get the fucking plus. Yeah, so I'm going to show you... Why the fuck did I get that? I'm going to show you how to attach this to this. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to pull this off. Pull this thing off. It's quite easy. It's quite flexible as well, so don't worry about breaking it too much. You want to get this, unstrap it, and pull it through this threshold. Is that called a threshold? I don't know, you can that. And there you go. Pop these off, that off, and that. Don't worry about breaking it, it's quite strong material. Fuck that off, you don't need it at all. And then you have this. It looks very goofy. Get your fucking head strap. I need to cut down the swearing. You need to kind of put it through here on both sides. It's quite hard to do. 2 seconds. I'm not gonna lie. You do have to push it quite hard. Don't worry about breaking it because, like I said, it is quite strong material. Imagine I break it after saying that. Push it through and you can see the black part here and the white part, they need to be level. So let me just do that real quick. They're not very level at the minute, but it's quite hard. It takes a bit of precision. I'm sure there's many tutorials online on how to do this, probably better than mine, but I'm just doing this because I fuck all else to upload. And I want views. I'm joking, I love you guys. I don't care about the views, I'm just doing it for my own entertainment. Right, this is the part where it gets annoying. This black thing here, you're going to put it through where the white strap originally went on the shit head strap. So you put it through like that. Hello. Put it through and push this down a bit if you need to. And then strap it on. Make sure it's strapped on nicely. And it should be about that much of a gap. And there you go. Put this on, it's quite self-explanatory, so I don't really need to show it on camera. And there you go. Oh, and also, battery pack. Pretty sick, eh? Wrong way, shit. Up. Slippy. Charges it for you. Now, don't think the battery pack is amazing. Don't think you should use it for charging your headset. You shouldn't. It literally just keeps it at the same percentage. It rises it a little bit. But what I do really, I don't know if it's safe. I really couldn't give a fuck. Well, I will when it breaks, if it breaks. But I play this on charge 90% of the time because I play this quite a lot. But yeah, you've got this. You can adjust that. I usually have it like that on my head. So usually, if I put it on, tighten it, bend this up a little bit. You can bend this like that, and then I'll bring this down one, and there you go. Pretty stable. I just smashed my nose against the lenses. Can't. Right, now that's out of the way. Also, if you want to, when you want to use a battery pack, plug this in, you stupid cunts, because I've done it before. Forgot to plug it in and left it like that for fucking 2 hours. I'm a retard. I got all of it here. What a... Oh, loves you. Oh yeah, new room update. Pretty slick. What I bought is a charging bank. much space, so I bend that up. And yeah, that's a charging bank. There is a little piece, USB-C piece that plugs into there, but it don't need charging right now because it's fully charged. So I also took the things out, them little things, took them out because I don't use them. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. You get a shot. The thing that's bad about these controllers is batteries. Well, that flew. These are good batteries, the ones that come with the controllers, because as I said, I only recently just got this. You buy this. As I was saying, yeah, batteries, they suck. No one likes replacing batteries. So, what comes with this charging bank, you may have been wondering, why can I put the controllers in the charging bank? Comes with these little cunts. These. Cool batteries that can recharge. So you've got this battery here. I'm fucking stupid. No shit goes in the controller. Nah, mate. So look. It plugs in here. Oh, that fits actually nice as well. Look. Fits in there nicely. So this is the original one. It's the difference. Wow. And it charges it. So now I'm only going to be testing it with this one, but I got it on. I'm only going to be testing it with this one because, as I said, I don't need to use them right now because I have long life batteries. But yeah, you plug that in there, and look, it charges it. Charges it from that. Pretty neat. So that's pretty cool as well. That's everything I have for my accessories on for my Oculus. Don't hate for me calling it an Oculus. I do prefer calling it an Oculus. Like calling it a fucking Mech, which is ugly. Like Meta's taking everything over. Fuck you, Elon Musk. No, I'm joking, mate. Also, I forgot to mention these. These you can attach to the back which I'm not gonna do, but if the back is slipping with the head strap, if it's slipping up or down, I wouldn't know because it hasn't happened with me. But if it does, then put these on because they're like, oh look at that. That's really nice. Feels nice as well. Because I have a fat fucking head, I don't really need it. So I just have them up here just in case. Yeah, that concludes everything. This is what it looks like on display when it's charging. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little video. Wasn't really a long one, but I should be uploading some clips soon, maybe, possibly, hopefully. But what I will say is this is definitely an upgrade from this. Like, don't get me wrong, this thing has done me well in the past, but you know, it's getting a bit old. Camera tracking, light tracking is really old, and what pisses me off is this is more expensive than the Oculus itself. Like that, and you need a PlayStation to run it as well, which is mad. But I call this the PS4 VR, and the next gen one, the PSVR 2. PSVR 2, I call it the PS5 VR. Don't hate me. It's just because what they're compatible with. But yeah, this concludes the video at the minute. I'll be uploading more soon. I might do a comparison actually. Comment if you want to see that. Comparison on PSVR to the Oculus Quest 2. I might do that actually. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you whenever I next upload. Don't know how long that'll be. Hopefully not too long for you guys. I mean, don't know if you give a fuck, but yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.